Great news! You could be receiving some extra help with the purchase of your new home in the form of a $15,000 tax credit. That's right, President Biden has proposed a $15,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers. That's what we're talking about today in the Real Estate Update. Hey everyone, Victor with EXP Realty, and in this video we're talking about $15,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me, text me, call me, email me. I'm more than happy to help however I can. Now, it's important to remember that this has only been proposed by the Biden administration and will hopefully be made into law soon. It's very apparent to many people that the cost of buying a home is becoming increasingly difficult. With home values on the rise and loan requirements becoming more stringent, the cost of buying a home oftentimes requires years of savings. What the Biden administration wants to do is allow first-time home buyers to receive a tax credit when they buy their home, essentially helping those home buyers with that difficult initial cost. While we don't currently have a tax credit like this in place, during the Bush and Obama administration, there was a tax credit for $8,000 for first-time home buyers, but that program unfortunately expired in 2010. With Bush and Obama, that tax credit unfortunately was not received until the home buyer filed their taxes at the end of the year. What the Biden administration is wanting to do is allow the home buyer to receive that tax credit at closing, essentially helping with the down payment. Also important to remember is that the proposal specifies that the tax credit is up to $15,000. The Bush and Obama programs used 10% of the sales price to determine the amount of tax money received. And it's very likely that this will be the same measure used to determine the amount of tax credit that the home buyer will receive under the Biden program. Here in Georgia, the average sale price of a home is about $200,000. 10% of that price would be $20,000, in which case the home buyer would receive the maximum $15,000 tax credit with this Biden program. Hope y'all found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. All of my contact information is in the description below. Until next time.